The first thing you're doing wrong with the tea flower you just bought is rushing. Even if you buy 100 more pots, you won't be able to keep them alive like this. See, the moment you bring it home, you're too quick to wash the roots and change the soil. You might think, the original soil is so hard, how can I not change it? But unless you're an expert, that's a risky move. Tea flowers usually come full of lush leaves and buds. At this stage, they need plenty of water and nutrients to thrive. If you wash the roots and change the soil right away, you'll likely damage the root system badly. That makes it hard for the plant to absorb what it needs, leading to wilting and even shedding of leaves and flowers. In worst cases, the whole plant could die. So, what should you do instead? First, give it time to settle. This is called slowing down the seedling. It's simple. Place the plant somewhere with good airflow and indirect sunlight. Water it thoroughly once, and for the next 2 weeks, just stick to regular watering. Don't move it around or make any changes. Let it rest and adjust quietly. You might be wondering, when can I finally wash the roots and change the soil? The answer is, wait until the flowers bloom.